This is a vintage Dominion box fan from the 1960s. Information sticker is right there. It is a model 1074. And it is a 2-speed fan. Let me turn it around and show you the motor. Cord comes out up here, which is kind of interesting. And this fan is in really good shape, except there's some surface rust on the bottom. But I'll turn it around and show you the motor. Pretty sure this is a Macmillan motor. It looks exactly like one. It says to oil it. However often, I don't know what it says. Where does it say that? Oil every 6 months with SAE 20. What's the amperage on here? I don't know. Maybe you can see it, but I can't. So this is the Macmillan motor. And even though it says to oil it, I don't see any oil ports on here, unless that's what this is at the top. But I don't think so. I think that just goes into the motor. I don't think that leads to the oil wick around the bearing. Alright. I'm going to resituate this cord here and we'll start it up. Pick the shit up that it knocked over. There we go. Alright, here is high speed. Has a very nice sound to it, and it blows a lot of air. It's very powerful. Spin down time is really long. The motor is dusty. It needs to be taken apart and cleaned out and oiled properly. But, I mean, it's obviously got some lubrication in it because this thing, it takes forever to stop spinning. So here's the startup sound for high speed. Low speed in just a second here. As soon as the thing slows down a little bit more, I'm just trying to see. Oh, that is an oil port. There's a little tube in there that goes down to the bearing, or the oil wick that surrounds the bearings. So it does have oil ports. That's good. Alright, and here's low speed. Alright, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.